Dear student, uh, today we will study about the phyllotaxy, that is the practical of class 11. Phyllotaxy is the term that is for the arrangement or distribution of leaves on the stem. You know that what is leaves? That is very important parts of the plants. Leaves, why that is important? Because these perform photosynthesis. That is the very important function for the plant to perform the photosynthesis, because you know that by this process plants make their what? Food. Okay, so that is the another thing, that is the photosynthesis. First of all, we have to know that the phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy means that is the arrangement of leaves on the plants. For example, this is the I have a plant. This is the arrangement of leaves. Okay, these are their leaves. Okay. So first of all, we have to know that the parts of the leaves. Suppose that I have taken the leaves. Okay. Basically, if we divide the leaves into two types, for the on the examples of, suppose that I am taking the flowering plant, that is called angiosperm. Okay. So angiosperm plants are divided into two types. One will be the monocot and other will be the dicot. Okay. In dicot means having double cotyledons. It's having a double cotyledons. And monocot means it having the single cotyledons. Okay. So angiospermic plants, that is well-developed plants, that is also called as flowering plants. Flowering plants इसलिए बोलते हैं कि इसमें फ्लावर होता है फिलहाल. So that is the we have to discuss about the leaves. That I am making the leaves. So there are different parts are there. Suppose that this is the leaves. So if we are talking about these parts, that is the main parts of the photosynthesis. That is the green part. Okay, because these parts contain the chlorophyll. Okay, these parts is called the what called? It is called lamina. That is called lamina. Then you can also say that that is called or leaf blade. Okay, that is the simple. That is called lamina leaf blades. Okay, this is the, you know that there is another element that is called the midrib. This is called the midrib. Okay, and this is by which leaf is connected to the stem. This is called petiole. Okay, and in some leaves there are the small green arrangements are also there. Suppose that this arrangement, this is the small arrangements are there, just like the base of the leaves. There are the at the base of the leaves there are the small leaf-like structure. That is called, that is the small green leaf-like structure, that is called stipules. This is called the stipules. So that is very simple. We have to know that what is the parts of the leaves, and this is the midrib, and there are certain another branches are there from the midrib, that is called, these are called the wings. These are called the wings. If another branches from wings came out, that is called windlets. Okay, so that is the midrib, that is the main one. From midrib that arises branch is called the wings, and from wings if other branches are arising there, that is called the windlets. So that type of venation, that venation is what? Arrangement of wings. Venation is another term for phyllotaxy, that is called venation. Venation is what? That is the distribution of wings. Distribution of wings. Okay. Distribution of wings. Okay. So distribution of wings having the primary, secondary, tertiary. This types of distribution is called as this type of leaves is called, you can say that is the basically the example of dicotyledonous leaves. Okay. So this type of venation is called reticulate venation. This type of venation is called reticulate plate. So lutein-plate relation is basically mainly found in which type of plant? That is in the diploid plants. But another venation is the parallel venation. From all these are starting from the leaf base. So that type of venation is called the parallel venation. And parallel venation, and other thing is that this is the basic examples of the monocot plant. Okay. So these are the certain differences are there between the dicot and monocots, and these are the parts of the leaves. Okay. Other thing is the arrangement of the leaves on the plants. So suppose that some arrangement I have to make that. Basically, two types of arrangements I will show you. Suppose that this is the main stem of the plants, and leaves, petioles are there, and that is the one leaves. And just opposite from the another leaves is also grow here, like this one. Okay, this is the another leaves, and from same point, this is the another leaves. Okay, so these types of arrangement in the case of phyllotaxy, that is called the, this is called opposite leaves. This is the example of opposite leaves. Okay. Very simple, this is the example of opposite leaves. Other thing is, other arrangement you will also show in their surroundings. One will be like this, suppose that this is the main stems and leaves are arranged like this. One will be here, then one will be from here, then one will be from here. Okay, like this. Okay. So this type of arrangement is called alternate leaves. Okay. So these are the differently types of arrangement of leaf. For example, I have taken this one. Okay. देखिए बेटा, that is the example of, you know that is the example of opposite leaves. In opposite leaves, and other I have taken, that is the Asoka tree. That is the examples of alternate, one then one then one. That is the alternate leaves. Okay. And that will be the opposite leaves. Okay. And simply I have taken these leaves, or suppose that this one, this is the people tree leaves. So that is called, this one will be, suppose that I have taken this. So this will its petiole. This is the petiole, and that is the base of the petiole. It will arrange to the stems attached to the, and this is the lamina leaflets, and that is the main, that is called midrib. That is the wings, and there is a small coming from wings, that is called windlets. So this is the basic parts of the leaves. Other thing is that some leaves have also special arrangement like this. Means their lamina divided into small leaflets. Their lamina means this is the lamina. It will divided into a small leaflet like structure. For example, suppose that I am taking the neem tree. Okay, neem leaves. जब आप नीम के पौधे की पत्तियों को देखते हैं, उसमें इस तरह से एक मिडरिब होता है ऐसे, and there are certain small leaves are there like this. This is the small leaves are there. So these are not the leaves. आप इनको लीफ बेटा नहीं बोल सकते हैं. Like this. These are called not leaf. They are called leaflets. They are called leaflets. Leaflets क्यों बोले बेटा कि ये जो बड़ा वाला लैमिना है, that will divided into smaller leaflets. So they are called leaflets. They are not the leaves. जब ये बड़ा लैमिना छोटे-छोटे leaflets में divided हो जाए, तो इनको leaf नहीं बोलते. That is called leaflets. और ये जो midrib होगा, जब ये divide हो जाएगा, it will divide into smaller part. So that midrib is called as, this is called as what? Rachis. So these are the different types of leaves are there. You have to know as a 11th students. Other thing is, if you study about the leaves, study about the distribution of leaves, study about the types of leaves, that comes under the phyllotaxy. Phyllo means leaves, taxo means study. So phyllotaxy is the branch of science in which we study about the leaves. Okay? Thank you.